Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Manish and I welcome you to another video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video, we're going to see the first impression of the recently launched phone from the Vivo, which is the Vivo V15 Pro. And in the later video, I'm going to tell you whether you should buy this phone or not. So watch this video till the end for the unbiased review. The Vivo has launched this very much great phone, Vivo V15 Pro. And let's first start about this impression and the first look. If you look at the back, you're able to see the 3 triple rear camera. The camera is of 14 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. On the front, you're not been able to see any kind of hole or any kind of notch. It is a full bezel-less phone in the front and it is of aspect ratio 19.5:9. And overall, the body to screen ratio is of approximately of 91.65%. If you look at the bottom, you're able to see a USB port for the charging point and a sound grill. Plus, you're able to see a slot, 2 SIM slots for your SIM cards. On the side, you're able to see a dedicated slot for the memory. Plus, you're able to see a dedicated button for the Google Assistant. On the other side, you're able to see the volume rocker button and the power on and off button. On the above, you're able to see the noise cancellation port. Plus, you're able to see a 3.5 mm audio jack hole. This phone is powered by your 675 AI processor, a very much good processor. I say that they are offering us in this phone. And if I talk about your fingerprint sensor, the fingerprint sensor is on off from the front. And from the front, it is a sort of ultra edge where you can simply press it and it will detect your fingerprint and you're able to unlock your phone. And let me just talk about the camera. On the front, we're getting the 32 megapixel camera, which is the pop-up camera. And this camera will be shooting up inside from the body of the phone. And the company has said they have tested around 3 lakhs of times that camera up and down. We have seen the same camera setup in Vivo Next as well. And till now, any users haven't been complained about this pop-up camera. So you don't have to worry whether you're going to get any sort of problem with this pop-up camera or not. And let me just talk about the price range. With this so much of specification, with so much of futuristic design and so much of good things coming into Vivo V15 Pro, the price range of this phone is around 28,000 rupees. In this phone, you're getting the 3700 mAh battery. In this phone, we are getting a fast charging, and with this fast charging, in 50 minutes, you can able to charge 24% of your battery in this phone. So that's all the specification and the first impression of this phone. And let me tell you about my thoughts that what I think about this phone. First con is of this phone that it is coming up with your plastic body. Yes, even at the price range around 28,000, it's giving us about the plastic body. You're not getting any Type-C charging point or Type-C port in this phone. And moreover, I think the price range is very much higher as compared to other price range phone in this segment. If this phone has come with your flagship processor, I should have recommended this phone to many other users. But wait, if you still want to buy this phone, you can go for the next sale and you can buy this phone where you will be approximately getting with the exchange value. The price range of this phone will be around 20,000 to 21,000 with the exchange value which you are getting from their old phone. But one is the positive point of this phone is that even you can play the PUBG or any heavy game in this phone very smoothly and you will not be able to see any lag or any sort of disturbance while playing out in this phone. So that's all the first impression and my pros and cons about this phone. I think you should consider my cons part as well, because in this price range there are many other phones and many other companies which are offering us very great specification. You have a Poco F1 as well in the plastic body which is coming around 21,000. So if you like this video, you give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I see you in my next one.